Hello students, today I will teach you a chapter life process from class 10. So first of all, what is life process? Life processes are those processes which are necessary to maintain our normal life like respiration, excretion, digestion, circulation, etc. Either we are sleeping, either we are studying or doing anything. हम कोई भी काम कर रहे हों, ये प्रोसेसेस हमारे साइड बाय साइड बॉडी के अंदर चलते रहते हैं टू मेंटेन आवर लाइफ, टू ensure that we are living. These processes are necessary. So life processes are processes that maintains our body functions. So for these life processes we need energy. This energy, from where this energy comes? This energy comes from the food. So body need energy to maintain all the functions of the body, and that energy comes from the food, and the food that we intake is known as nutrition. And the food that we intake is known as the nutrition to the body, and this nutrition provide energy to the body for functioning of the body. Next is, how do organisms get their food? Organisms get their food. Some organisms synthesize their own food, and some organisms depend upon others for their food. Those organisms synthesize their own food are known as autotroph, and this mode of nutrition is known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. And other organisms depend upon others for their food. This food type of nutrition is known as heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and these organisms are called heterotrophs. Now, what is autotrophic nutrition? The auto word means self. Those organisms who prepared their own food are known as autotrophs, and this mode of nutrition is known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Organisms make their own food through photosynthesis. Now, what is photosynthesis? The photo words come from the light, and the synthesis means to synthesize. Organisms make their own food with help of water, chlorophyll, in presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. Example of such organisms is plants. Now, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green pigment. It is the green pigment present in the leaves, which is necessary for trapping of sunlight during photosynthesis. Water we give water to the plants, and it comes to the plants through the roots. So what is photosynthesis? Organisms make their own food with help of water and chlorophyll in presence of light is known as photosynthesis. Now, what is heterotrophic mode of nutrition? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition means in which organisms depend upon others for their food. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is of three types. One is holozoic, another one is saprophytism, and parasitism. Holozoic means those organisms who take solids as their food. For example, humans and animals. Saprophytism means those organisms which depend upon dead and decaying material for their food. For example, bacteria, fungi, scavengers. And parasitism means the organism which depend upon others for their food and use other organism as host. The host organism prepare food and it is absorbed by the parasitic organism, for example fleas, lice, etc. In the next session we will discuss about photosynthesis in detail. Thank you.